What's up, everyone? My name is Cam, and this is Kayla, and you're tuned in to Carolina Fragrance Reviews. Today, we're going to be doing another smell and rate, and Kayla will be the judge. We're going to be rating 10 fragrances on a scale to 1 to 10. She'll also decide if they're best for date night, signature scent, or just that fragrance that you just can't get enough of. Without any further ado, let's get into this. So not wasting too much of your time, we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. The first one is Salvatore Ferragamo UOMO Signature.
I like this one.
On a scale from 1 to 10, what would you rate it?
Seven.
A 7? Okay, and how would you like to smell that? Is just like a everyday wear, or is that something for the club or going out, or?
That's all I get. Right. I wouldn't say every day, maybe just going out.
Going out? Alright, so we got a 7 on Salvatore Ferragamo Signature UOMO. So the next fragrance we're going to do is from HERRERA. This is 212 VIP Black.
See?
It is fancy schmancy, especially if you say HERRERA.
That one's so good.
You look like you're doing something to it.
That one's a little bit higher than that one.
Yeah? So this was a 7. Where would you put that one at?
Maybe like an 8.
An 8? Okay, and when would you like to smell that one?
I can wear it every day.
Every day, signature scent? Okay, so signature scent, going out, whatever the case may be. Next fragrance, you guys know a lot about Yves Saint Laurent L'Homme. Now, I do want you to keep in mind that this is just not a fragrance reviewer. This is well, you won't just run into a beautiful woman like this any day of the week. But with that said, she's not a fragrance reviewer, so she's not 100% sure about all of these, but she did smell all of these before we filmed and smelled a lot of different fragrances. So.
Yeah.
And she's got a pretty good nose.
No, I really like this one.
It's like,
I do like this one.
what do you think?
A 9.
A 9?
9. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah. So that L'Homme is getting some high marks. So how about that one? Signature scent, or what do you think that would be best for?
I like it. It's probably one of the best. I don't know. I probably wear it every day.
Every day, signature scent. And do you think that would be something that you would want to smell when you go out to dinner?
Yeah,
just
all the time. I can smell it all the time.
All the time. All right, perfect. So we got a 9 for YSL L'Homme. All right, the next fragrance is a flanker from Giorgio Armani. This one is ACQUA ABSOLU.
Oh, this one smells good too. This is kind of similar to that one too. Anyway.
Yeah, as far as the cleanness, yeah. Do we need to spray it some more? Is it weakened?
You can spray it on the
All right. We did the dry downs. Of course, you know, it's a lot harder to check from spray tabs than it is on skin. But if I sprayed 10 fragrances on my arm, I'd have to draw lines everywhere for her to try to smell it. So, should we get an opening and dry down?
This smells good. I can wear it every day.
Signature scent?
Yeah. I would say at 9.
A 9. We got okay, so got some more high marks. So we got a 9 for Giorgio Armani ACQUA ABSOLU. So the next fragrance is a 2020 release. It is from AZZARO. This one is, oh my god, I just said chrome. Chrome, what else? So next fragrance is from AZZARO. This is Chrome Extreme. This is the 2020 release.
Now, this one I really love.
Yeah.
I've already said this.
Right.
This one is a 10.
It's a 10. 10.
I like this
From 10.
This one I would label a 10.
Yeah. And when would you like to smell that one?
Oh, my boyfriend all the time.
All the time. All right. So just scrumptious.
On me.
All right. So we got a 10. So we still have, we're halfway through and we've already got a 10. So we'll see if we got any tiebreakers going here. All right. Next fragrance is from Goldfield and Banks. This one is Bohemian Lime. I think this will be the only niche fragrance we have in our lineup.
I love this.
Yeah?
No, this is like summertime.
Yes, definitely summertime. Summer vibes, Cancun,
Yeah,
Myrtle
I think
Beach.
of the Caribbean.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
I like this one a lot too. I would say for summertime, like a 9.5.
9.5. That's pretty strong.
Nice summers.
So far we've got 110, but we got some pretty high marks. So I'm gonna stick this one over here so we know which one was the highest, and we'll see that Bohemian Lime coming pretty close on the heels of the Chrome Extreme. So next one is one of my, you guys know I won't say anything else. Don't want to influence in any way, shape, or form. So it's Bleu de Chanel from Chanel. And this is the EDT for those of you wanting to know.
I love this one too. It's not the same scent as this one, but I like it the same.
You would score that as a 10 too?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a good thing. That way we can have us a tiebreaker. It might, at least we got a two-way tiebreaker at the moment.
Yeah.
So Bleu de Chanel EDT, guys, with another 10. So another one that she picked, I was actually a little bit surprised, but not so much, but it's Prada Luna Rossa Black.
Why are you surprised?
Because most people pick carbon, but you picked this over carbon, so I think it's kind of cool. Kind of changes things up a little bit of unpredictable situation.
Now this smells different than any of them, but I like it.
Yep.
I wouldn't wear it every day.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit more dressed up.
Dressed up, very dressy, classy.
Agreed.
Like a rich man.
Agreed. Smell like money.
Smell like money. I would say, because I don't lean toward it a lot, but I like it, I would say probably like an 8.
Okay. All right. So the suspense is lowered on that one, but that's okay. That's okay. We've still got a couple bangers left.
I still like it.
Yeah. I mean, still high scoring on all these, so that's a good thing. All right. So in case you guys didn't check out the Jeremy Office for Men and Chanel Allure Sport O Extreme video, I'll put the link right here, but she was actually one of the ones that chose this fragrance. Let's see how she's feeling about it today as far as a scoring.
I like this one too.
It's good.
It really is good. That one's really high too. Yeah.
Where would you put that?
Can we put them with these 3?
Yeah. You want to give it a 10?
Yeah, we'll just give it a 10.
The 10? Oh man, is that where you were going with that?
Yeah.
Or okay. All right. Just want to make sure.
Yeah.
I didn't
like it.
twist her arm or anything, because they were like, "Well, you're influencing her. You're influencing her." All right. Last but not least is Versace Pour Homme.
I always like this one.
So you're familiar with this one?
I do really like this one though, but I think I like these ones more. That would be like a 9.5.
9.5. And I didn't ask you, I don't think I asked you on, ever since you talked about this being like the rich man's fragrance, Bleu de Chanel and O Extreme, what do you think about those as far as what that would be good for. Signature scent, date night, whatever.
Everything.
Everything. Signature scents all the time. So all 3 of these 10s with wanting to smell it all the time. How about Versace Prom? What do you think about that for occasion? And did you give me
everyday wear?
Everyday wear signature scent, and you said 9.5 on that one, right? So that leaves us with a 3-way tie between, well, we got 2 from Chanel here. We got the Eau Extreme Bleu de Chanel, and we have the AZZARO Chrome Extreme. So stay tuned and we'll give you the final verdict. So to make this cut as clean as we possibly can, we're gonna, since it's only 3 fragrances, I'll put all 3 on skin. That's how you can really tell the difference. I mean, spray tabs is, when you're smelling 10 fragrances, it's kind of hard, but since we have 3, we'll just go ahead and spray Allure Homme Extreme right here. And we'll do Bleu de Chanel on the top of the hand. And then we'll do AZZARO Extreme, or Chrome Extreme, I should say, on the hand right here. And we'll go ahead and let these get somewhat of a dry down. I'm not going to make her sit here all night, but I'll be dropping and breaking fragrances in the meantime. Okay, so the first one is Chanel Allure Homme Eau Extreme.
That one smells good.
Alright, here's Bleu de Chanel.
Okay.
And here is Chrome Extreme.
Okay, they're starting to all smell the same.
Think you're getting some olfactory fatigue. So maybe we should slow it down a little bit and we'll try it again.
Okay.
I'll just let you kind of get your thoughts, just smell, and then just take it in. Alright, well, just wait, just gather your composure. Alright, you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You sure? You good?
Sure. That one smells good too. I don't know, they all smell good. Okay.
We might just have to.
Well, that one smells good too.
Are you feeling one more than the other at all?
I'm gonna cancel that one out first.
Alright, so. Oh, that one went down. So we're going between Bleu de Chanel and Chrome Extreme now.
Yeah.
Here's Bleu de Chanel.
Okay.
There's Chrome Extreme.
I still think my most favorite is probably this one.
Really?
Yeah.
That's pretty awesome, because that was the like unpredictable win. So winner chicken dinner according to Kayla's taste.
But I still like this one.
Yeah, I mean, we still got 3 10s out of it, but since we had to pull hairs, we went with the AZZARO Chrome Extreme. But
it's very similar.
Yeah, they are. I mean, like, these both are considered kind of blue fragrances. You have your, your freshness, your spiciness with this. You've got mandarin in this. It's like very similar, very similar. But we realize that you like blue fragrances, you like fresh fragrances, and you like masculine fragrances. So
is that majority of people?
Yes, I mean, some people, some people like darker stuff, but I mean, you like the more mass appealing things, and that's probably what most of you wear, so that might help you guys out. At least we got like 3 complete bangers, and she gave all these really high ratings, so that should give you something to go by. Let us know down in the comments if you agree or disagree. Make sure you give her love. Either way, until next time, we'll see you on Carolina Fragrance Reviews.